The advantage of thinking in percents for budgeting. Now that we've explored 15 core aspects of percentages, let's focus on why thinking in percents is a major advantage for budgeting. Clarity over complexity. Budgeting by dollar amounts can get messy, especially when your income fluctuates. But when you budget by percentage, your financial plan adapts fluidly. If you earn $3,000 one month and $3,500 the next, allocating 50% to essentials still works without needing to redo all your math. Scalability. Percentages scale. Whether your income doubles or drops in half, the proportions of how you allocate your money remain consistent. This consistency keeps your financial habits stable even through life changes. Better financial discipline. Thinking in percentages builds discipline. If you train yourself to always save 15% of your income, you're reinforcing a savings habit that scales with your earnings. That's more effective than saving a fixed amount, which may not grow with you. Forecasting and planning. It's easier to plan for future expenses using percentages. For example, if healthcare costs typically take up 10% of your budget and they're expected to rise by 2%, you can anticipate the future impact without complex forecasting tools. Improves communication and decision-making. Talking about money with partners, financial advisors, or even yourself is more effective when you use percentages. Saying we should cap rent at 30% of our income is clearer than arguing over a raw number. Encourages holistic awareness. When you view spending categories in percentage terms, like 40% on housing, 25% on transportation, 10% on dining, you begin to see your financial behavior in a full picture. This awareness is the first step toward smarter money management. Helps prioritize. You might realize you're spending 15% on subscriptions, but only 5% on savings. That imbalance becomes clear when using percentages, helping you reprioritize in favor of long-term goals. A real-life example. Let's say you earn $4,000 per month. If you use the 50-30-20 rule, 50% goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, 20% goes to savings. Now suppose your income increases to $5,000. By sticking with the same percentages, $2,500 goes to needs, $1,500 to wants, $1,000 to savings. You've automatically scaled your budget, adjusted spending responsibly, and preserved your financial goals, all because you framed your budget as a percentage. Conclusion. Thinking in percents isn't just a math skill, it's a mindset. It brings clarity, adaptability, and consistency to financial decisions. Percentages help you understand your money in relation to the whole, which is essential for building a healthy, flexible budget. Whether you're saving, spending, or planning, shifting to percentage-based thinking can simplify your life and help you reach your financial goals faster. So, the next time you budget, skip the dollars and think in percent.